Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert workflow to flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is to go to your setup and basically you need just to click on this icon, setup, and then you will need to log in if you didn't log in. After that, you will need just to search for workflows. And I will just type workflows and then you will need to find the workflow rules. So from here, you will need just to click on continue or just check don't show me this page again. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And here you will see all your workflow rules that will be set here or that will be listed here. And to migrate them or convert them to flows, you will need just to use the workflow migration tool. You can just do it from here and click on migrate your workflow rules to flows. So from here, you can find migrate to flow. You can also find it here, migrate, and you can find this tool here. So in this list, you will find all your workflows that you might or that you want to migrate to flow, and basically you will have such UI. So from here you will find all your workflow rules and then you select anyone that you would like and then you will need to click on migrate flow. Basically it is located here, and after that you will find this page that will appear. You can test it in the flow builder so you can find out how the flow would work, and then you will switch activations. Basically, by clicking on switch activation, you will activate your workflow and it will become a flow. Then you will need just to close, and now you have your flow that has your workflow that has been successfully converted or migrated to a flow. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.